Say this word.
Jewelry. Jewelry.
This is a two-syllable word with the stress on that first syllable. And what's tricky about it is you have to go up to the L and then you got to push the R. We say it as jewelry. Jewelry. That's how you say it. Not 3 syllables. I would prefer 2 syllables. Jewelry. It's fun to wear jewelry.
Jewelry. Jewelry.
Say this word.
Spectacular.
Spectacular.
This means beautiful in a dramatic way. We say it as spectacular. So go up on that A and there's a hidden Y right after the C. This is a spectacular view.
Spectacular.
Say this word.
Desert.
So this word, notice, has 1 S. Now say this word with 2 S's.
Desert.
Dessert.
Are you saying them the same or different? Well, they happen to be very different. This first word with 1 S is pronounced as desert with the stress on that first syllable. Desert. It's hot in the desert. But this second word with 2 S's is what you get after a meal. It's delicious. And we pronounce it as dessert with the stress on that second syllable. Desert, dessert. I was eating a dessert while I was in the desert. That's how we say it.
Dessert.
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 One of my clients asked me how to pronounce this word.
Demonstration.
Demonstration.
This word has 4 syllables and the third syllable gets stressed. And when I say stressed, it's like a higher note. Demonstration. Now you have to watch that STR. There's an STR blend in the middle of the word and you have to push the R. Demonstration. Demonstration. That sh sound, okay? Demonstration. That's how you say it.
Demonstration.
Demonstration.
Say this word.
Genuine.
Genuine.
This is a very common word. It has 3 syllables. The stress is on the first syllable. And there's a hidden W right between the U and the I. And we say it as gen, you, win. Bring your lips forward on that W. Genuine. I try to be a very genuine person. That's how we say it.
Genuine.
Genuine.